Hello everyone. Let me quickly walk you through the customer profiles page inside the CRM module. This screen provides a complete overview of all customers currently registered, along with key details for quick access and management. And to add a new customer record from seller is also possible through Add Customer. By clicking on Add Customer, we are on the page where we can create a new customer profile by the seller here. First, I'm selecting the customer segment. Next, I'm giving the first name, last name, the phone number, email address, and next, I am setting the password and the status of the account. How it should be, enabled or disabled. Finally, I can select to send a welcome mail to the customer. The main section of the screen contains a customer table with multiple columns, such as the customer column, which displays the customer's name, the email column lists the registered email address, the mobile column. The segment column helps categorize customers, such as shopping seekers or frequent buyers, for targeted engagement. The address column, the status column. Finally, the Actions column provides additional options such as edit and delete each customer record individually. Overall, this screen is designed to help you efficiently review, search, and manage customer information from a single centralized view. And that's a quick overview of the customer profile section. Thank you.